Scatpack bullies OKC traffic. Get the fuck over, dude. What you cutting them lights on for, nigga? Get up with me. Nigga, is that 12 behind me? Oh, I'm finna take him on a chase, nigga. I'm finna take him on a chase, nigga. That nigga's still back there. What the fuck? Hold on, bro. Get out the jammies. That nigga's not catching me, boy. I tell you. Out of there. Out of there. No more. Say no more. Say no more. YouTube. It's officially day 5 of Vlogmas. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even finna get to yapping. I'm gonna do this intro while I'm cutting up, bruh. It is day 5 of Vlogmas, chat. I'm finna push up to the gym right now. Yesterday we did that paddle shifter video. Shit, I don't think I ever use them damn paddle shifters again, bruh. I don't think I'm ever gonna use them weak ass paddle shifters again, bruh. I'm telling you now. But hey, if y'all new to the channel, bruh, it's Vlogmas day 5. So everybody hit that like button, bruh. Let me know how y'all been fucking with Vlogmas so far, man. The numbers, I ain't gonna lie, the numbers they've been doing pretty decent, bruh, for Vlogmas. We only, you know what I'm saying, on the 5th day. So the first 4 videos, them bitches going up. I can't fake it, chat. We are uploading daily until Christmas. So if y'all have not watched them other videos, chat, make sure y'all go watch them. First time hitting that main street, you know I gotta hit that bitch just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. You feel me, chat? Like, bro, there's no way you get a scat or a cat, bro, and y'all just get to drive like a little bitch. Hold on, let me scoot back some so y'all can see the full, yeah. Thumbnail. Real soon, chat. I don't know if it's gonna be throughout the course of Vlogmas, but I gotta get the SRT one that light up. Cause this shit, when it's dark, bro, y'all can't even see that shit. And I gotta get that RPM steering wheel, bro. That shit like a Bansky though, bro. I think the order that I'm gonna mod my car, I think I'm gonna go mid muffler delete or straight pipe, one of the two. I think I'm doing that tomorrow, chat. Cause like I'm running out of ideas every day. I'm running out of ideas, bro. So yeah, at some point I'm gonna have to do that mid muffler delete or straight pipe. Let me know in the comments down below, chat, which one should I do? Should I get the mid muffler delete or straight pipe this bitch? Everybody comment down below. Let me know something. Right now I'm cutting up on the way to the gym. I'm finna go meet my mama up there, bro. You know what I'm saying? What that shit called? Little mother-son bonding time. Fuck you talking about? For real. That little ass Mero doing, bro. Bring that shit out here so I can gap you. Y'all know in today's video, we finna be on the turnpike with it. Yes, Lord. I fuck with the turnpike because I can push 140 and there will be nobody to fuck with me, but I tell you. Ain't nobody gonna fuck with you on that turnpike. Now, let me know, chat, what video do y'all want next? Do y'all want me to A, get this mid muffler delete, or do y'all want me to B, slide this hoe? Let me know, because it's day 5. So one of them two is finna be day 6. I was about to say, I hear a nigga revving this shit. Is that Subaru? Take that shit on the turnpike and get gapped, stupid man. I remember last time a nigga revved this shit behind me, bro. I ended up getting my ass gapped. I don't even know if I want problems with that nigga, man. For real. Chat, I keep forgetting my second phone, bro. So these videos don't be having no music. But they got straight cutouts. Hold up, let's hit that bit just a little bit. You feel me? We ain't gonna just floor it because this nigga obviously right there, bro. We have 4 minutes on this, yeah? Okay. I need to get more into like waking up and recording, chat. I gotta start waking up. Oh shit. Thank God I just started out. Do a nigga get ready with me. Wake up, get ready with me video, nigga, Vlogmas type shit. Okay. I'm starting to think of like more and more ideas. Alright, we're gonna lower the brightness because I know that should be fucking up my thumbnail sometimes. There we go. Him. Perfect. Alright, bet. We can swim now. These niggas playing great defense. Some crash outs. Chat, let me know. Would y'all cut up on the left side of this? Like, are y'all getting in the left lane to go around this nigga? Or are y'all patient? Me personally, I feel like I would never risk it for the biscuit, but you never know, bruh. Scatpack bullies OKC traffic. Get the fuck over, dude. What you cutting them lights on for, nigga? Get up with me. Nigga, is that 12 behind me? Oh, I'm finna take him on a chase, nigga. Okay, had to make sure I got the little intro clip. Nice. This video gonna be Scatpack outruns OKC police. You know what I'm saying? I like clickbaiting with that joint the most. You know what I'm saying? One day I'm gonna really take the Jakes on the chase, but until then, I'm gonna clickbait y'all niggas. And y'all better watch every video till that day really come too. For real. We ain't really have too far to go. We pretty much damn near at our destination, but sheesh. How long could this be? 6-minute cut up. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. 6-minute cut up gonna piss me off. Next exit. Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck I just drove over. Making sure a nigga tire pressure and shit still smooth. Okay, say no more. Let's push up some more then. This good. Oh, that nigga still following me. That nigga still back there. What the fuck? Hold on, bro. Get out the jammies. That nigga's not catching me, boy. I tell you. Out of there. All right, you know what I'm saying? Make sure I can clip in bits and pieces, you know what I'm saying? My intro together. Y'all know when it comes to clickbaiting and getting these views, bro, I'm really one of the greatest to ever do it, chat. For real. Hey, if y'all a quote-unquote OG, comment down below, man. Been here since day one. Because real soon, all my videos going to have 10 million plus views, bro. Claim your spot now as an OG. Comment down below. I was here from day one. For real. This is 6-minute banger. Should I go slide it real quick? We trying to get like a little 10 minutes of that great quality. But it's nothing but exquisite traffic up here, man. For real. Hey, fuck it. While we got traffic, might as well chop it up with y'all boys. Hey, let me know in the comment section down below. All right, as for video ideas, I got mid-muffler delete or straight pipe. Slide the scat vid. And then I plan to probably wrap my... Oh, shit, hold up. Thumbnail. Okay. Slow ass cars, but I need my thumbnail. You know how this shit get. You already know how this shit get. Thumbnail. Alright, make sure that shit look green. Say no more. But chat, I plan to wrap my car in Christmas lights and then probably go slide this bit. Or do a POV cutout with like the Christmas lights wrapped around this bitch. I don't know yet. But something Christmas related, for real. I know it's Vlogmas, but I ain't doing shit Christmas related, for real. I'm just doing daily uploads. And chat, I told y'all in the last video, I felt kinda sick. I woke up today feeling sick as fuck. I'm finna go to the gym, sit in the sauna and shit, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Hop on that Stairmaster, you know what I'm saying? Sweat this sickness out and shit, you feel me? Because being sick in December, that shit really not it, bro, I tell you. Like, bro, I be hot 1 second, the next second I'm cold as fuck. That shit been pissing me off lately. Swear. But yeah, I'm a yapaholic. But 10 minutes of straight yapping while this shit stop, bro. I ain't a yapaholic to that degree. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, chat. I appreciate y'all boys for watching this video. I know y'all probably thought I took them niggas on a chase. I probably did, bro. You never know. But hey, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Let's get this bitch to 50 likes. Let me know in the comment section, real shit. Do I get a mid-muffler delete or do I straight pipe this bitch? And let me know, should I wrap this bitch in Christmas lights and slide it? Slide it. Let me know what type of videos y'all want for Vlogmas in the chat. Oh, yeah, 10 minutes. I'm going to make the intro another little minute long. Okay. But yeah, that's really go. That's going to wrap up this video. But I need my watch time. Y'all know I'm trying to get a check. So yeah, y'all just sit in the car and chill with me. You know what I'm saying? I plan to get the stars in the roof. Yeah, while I'm just sitting here, fuck it. I need a little 1 minute extra time. Y'all can click off the video or stay with your boy, whatever the fuck y'all want to do. Finna put stars in the roof, new steering wheel, make this bitch louder. I think I got to get my CPM unlocked to tune it. But I need my shit to shoot, bro. I need my shit to pop. Like when I rev it, that bitch go pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop. If you know, you know, chat. For real. But as I look at this camera, bro, this shit say, that shit say 10 minutes. Meaning that's a 10-minute fucking banger. Hey, I appreciate y'all boys for watching the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Geyser. Y'all think that marijuana smoke? Make sure ain't no 12 over there. Shit, there's only one way to find out. It's only one way to find out. Hold on, cut this shit down. Oh, he got his window down already. Well, he on that? Do he want it? I know he don't want it, nigga. What you want to do, bro? Line it up, nigga. That nigga don't want it. Niggas be so pussy in the city, chat. I tell you, niggas be so pussy in the city. Hey, chat, I tried to get y'all another video, you know what I'm saying? Me bullying niggas in traffic. Y'all clearly see niggas don't want smoke with the motherfucking Scattiana. I ain't even had it be manual, bro. I don't know why he was so scared. I'm saying that like I know how to use these paddle shifters or something. But yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all boys. Yeah, extra clip. You know what the fuck going on.